Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need a compatible device and current iOS. Once those are in place, open Settings and go straight to Display and Brightness. Tap the True Tone toggle to see immediate change. This activates the automatic white balance based on ambient light sensors. Make sure Auto Brightness is enabled so sensors report correctly. If you use a screen protector, remove it temporarily to verify sensor response. Once toggled on, observe warmer or cooler shifts. This confirms the system is sampling ambient. Once True Tone is on, place the device in varied lighting: incandescent, fluorescent, and daylight. You'll see subtle shifts. This is why you test. True Tone aims for consistent perceived color, not fixed temperature. Make sure night shift is off during verification so it doesn't mask results. If colors look off, toggle True Tone off and on to force a sensor refresh, then wait a minute for adjustment. If problems persist, restart the device to clear sensor states before deeper troubleshooting. To finalize, leave True Tone enabled and use the device across a few environments so your eyes and the system settle. If behavior is inconsistent, colors jump or don't change, first restart the device, remove any thick cases or screen accessories that might block sensors, and test again. If issues continue, reset all settings. This preserves data but clears display preferences or contact support for hardware diagnostics. One key tip: recalibration usually fixes odd behavior. Try toggling and restarting before assuming a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.